Guys, 2004 Lincoln Town Car. Only got 70,000 miles on it. Really clean car. We got something really special done to it. As you can see, it's got 4 converters on it. Lincolns come with 4. Ford loved putting converters on these cars. Then what we did is we took the H pipe out and put an X pipe in its place. Look at that, really beautiful. Then from the X pipe, we ran 2 FLOWMASTER Flow FXs right there and right there. Part number 71415, there'll be a link in the description for it. Then we ran 2-inch tailpipes, the factory ones on each side, there and there. They got a little baby resonators on them there and there. And put some 4-inch stainless steel tips out the back to complete the look. All on the side, look at that, it's sexy. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it. There's the H pipe that was on it. We cut all that off and ran new. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Exactly what you wanted? All right. That sounds classy, you know? Wow, that's clean. Yeah, it's not overbearing, nothing. It's just clean. You did good. I'm glad you went with the X pipe row on it. Your sound decibels? Right at 97. That's clean. Perfect. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? I think for a Lincoln, it's perfect. That sounds really nice. Go ahead and back it up. Lincoln Town Car. That sounds so good. What's the motor in it? 4.6, right? V8 power, man. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. X-Pipe, Flow FX, 4-inch tips out the back. We don't discriminate. We do them all. We do them all out. If you can think of it, we will make it happen. See, we don't always do too loud either. We make quiet ones too. Man, that sounds so good. I like it. Enjoy, guys.